Today's lesson is about a group of friends who plan a surprise birthday party for Sophia. We have highlighted the dialogues in red. They are also in the video description. At the end of the video, there is audio of these key phrases for pronunciation practice. The sun is shining, and the sky is bright blue. Birds sing in the trees. It's a perfect day. But Sophia is a little sad. Tomorrow is her birthday, and she thinks no one remembers. Her friends, however, have a plan. They want to surprise her. "Let's have a party at my house," says Mia. "Great idea," says Jake. "I'll bring balloons." "I'll bring a cake," says Lily. "And I'll bring snacks," says David. They all smile. Sophia will be so happy. The next day, Mia wakes up early to prepare everything. She cleans the living room and pushes the table to the side to make space. Then, she decorates with colorful streamers, fairy lights, and a big "Happy Birthday, Sophia" sign on the wall. The air smells like vanilla candles. Jake arrives with a big bag of balloons. "Where should I put these?" he asks. "Let's tie them to the chairs and put some near the window," Mia says. Lily brings a beautiful birthday cake. It's a 2-layer cake with chocolate sponge, pink strawberry frosting, and small white flowers made of sugar. "I hope Sophia likes it," she says. "She will," David says, setting the table with chips, cookies, and a big bowl of fresh fruit. He also pours orange juice, lemonade, and soda into glass pitchers. Mia looks around. Everything looks perfect. The room is colorful and full of happiness. Now, they need Sophia to come. Mia calls her. "Hey, Sophia! Want to come over?" "Sure," Sophia says. She has no idea about the party. A few minutes later, Sophia walks to Mia's house. The warm air carries the smell of flowers from the garden. She knocks on the door. Mia opens it. "Come in," she says, trying not to smile too much. Sophia steps inside. "Surprise!" her friends shout. Sophia gasps. "Oh my gosh! A surprise party?" "Yes," says Jake. "Happy birthday, Sophia!" Sophia's eyes fill with happy tears. "I can't believe this. You all planned this for me?" "Of course," says Lily. "You're our best friend." They play music, dance, and laugh. When it's time for cake, Mia brings it to the table. The candles glow softly. "Make a wish," David says. Sophia closes her eyes for a moment. Then, she blows out the candles. "I wish for more moments like this," she says. They all clap and cheer. Then, they eat and talk. David tells funny jokes, and everyone laughs. Mia takes out a small box. "We have a gift for you." Sophia opens it. Inside is a beautiful silver bracelet with a small heart charm. "It's perfect," she says. "Thank you so much. This is the best birthday ever," Sophia says. Her friends smile. They are happy to make her day special. Now, I'm going to say the sentence twice and you repeat after me. Let's have a party at my house. Let's have a party at my house. Let's have a party at my house. Great idea. I'll bring balloons. Great idea. I'll bring balloons. Great idea. I'll bring balloons. I'll bring a cake. I'll bring a cake. I'll bring a cake. And I'll bring snacks. And I'll bring snacks. And I'll bring snacks. Where should I put these? Where should I put these? Where should I put these? Let's tie them to the chairs and put some near the window. Let's tie them to the chairs and put some near the window. Let's tie them to the chairs and put some near the window. I hope Sophia likes it. I hope Sophia likes it. I hope Sophia likes it. She will. She will. She will. Everything looks perfect. Everything looks perfect. Everything looks perfect. Hey, Sophia. Want to come over? Hey, Sophia. Want to come over? Hey, Sophia. Want to come over? Sure. 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 Come in. Come in. Come in. Surprise. 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 Oh my gosh. A surprise party? Oh my gosh. A surprise party? Oh my gosh. A surprise party? Yes. Happy birthday, Sophia. Yes. Happy birthday, Sophia. Yes. Happy birthday, Sophia. I can't believe this. You all planned this for me? I can't believe this. You all planned this for me? I can't believe this. You all planned this for me? Of course. You're our best friend. Of course. You're our best friend. Of course. You're our best friend. Make a wish. Make a wish. Make a wish. I wish for more moments like this. I wish for more moments like this. I wish for more moments like this. We have a gift for you. We have a gift for you. We have a gift for you. It's perfect. Thank you so much. It's perfect. Thank you so much. It's perfect. Thank you so much. This is the best birthday ever. This is the best birthday ever. This is the best birthday ever.
Thanks for watching. To improve your English listening, watch videos like this every day.